Welcome to Wallybois, and I've been putting through its paces the Cheng SDS Cordless Masonry drill, and I'm quite surprised, pleasantly surprised. The drill comes with a 20 volt battery, 4 amp hour, takes 2 hours to charge with the accompanied charger, which is 2 amp hours, so 2 hours charge. Or you can purchase the 4 amp hour charger, which will charge it in and out. Now this is the Cheng DCZC04-24. The solid green light shows it is fully charged. It has an impact energy of 2.7 joules, a no-load speed of 0 to 1000 revs per minute, and a rated impact frequency of 0 to 4500 impacts per minute. Its drilling capacity is 24mm, steel up to 13mm, wood up to 28mm. And in this video I will demonstrate the drilling capacities of this drill. Not for steel or wood, but for masonry, since I believe that this drill will be used primarily for that. It has a brushless motor, you've got 3 mode operation, drill, rotary hammer, and demolition. Got reverse and forward and lock on the trigger. Electronic constant speed control, mechanical electronic clutch design. This drill came with a selection of chisels and drills, also an auxiliary handle, a depth gauge and plastic case, as well as a 2 amp hour charger. Now you can either purchase an additional battery separately, or you can purchase the 5 amp hour times 2 with a 4 amp charger, or the 4 amp hour times 2 with a 2 amp charger, or this one which I'm demonstrating is the 4 amp hour with 1 battery and a 2 amp hour charger. Now if you haven't heard of Cheng before, Cheng is a Chinese company and it was founded in 1995, and they're quite well known in China for their professional range of tools. And this SDS Plus drill is no exception. It is actually pretty solid. I'm very impressed actually. And considering I've managed to drill holes, which I will show you, through walls that are literally 2.5 feet thick, about around 30 inches, or about 900 millimeters thick, here in France. It's very capable. I'm really impressed. Now remember, I have been using this drill. I've been putting it through its paces, drilling holes in stone and concrete. The rotary switch has 3 positions. Each position requires you to operate the lock, hammer and drill for drilling holes in masonry. You can put it into hammer only for the chisels, and drill only, for which you could use in soft material when using masonry drills, or if you're going to put a auxiliary chuck in, so you can then put any drill bit in the drill. You can an SDS either keyed or keyless chuck if you want. It doesn't come with that. Push it in and it locks in. A little impact backwards and forwards. On the wall of my house, of all places. And this is my wall of my barn. Let's drill a hole. Oh, look at that. Well, it's going in nicely, as you can see. It's making plenty of dust. And it's going in. Well, I've made light work of that, as you can see. And in the concrete, the same bit. There's a piece of concrete. Random, I know, but there's a piece of concrete. And it's quite happy to drill into there as well. That's quite a hard piece of concrete, as you can see by the grey dust. So it's going in. It's in. Up to the smooth, the shank of the drill. So that's in 4 inches. All over, probably. About 100 millimetres. Yes, I've got a random hole in my wall. And now we're going to drill using the 25mm SDS drill. And no, I'm not going to drill right into my wall. But as you can see, it's drilling. And I've already been using it. That didn't take long. This is not speeded up, by the way. And here we got the pointy chisel. As you can see, it's making light work of that as well, breaking away that old concrete that's been shoved into the holes. Because this wall needs pointing, you see. We ain't got to that yet. This is an old French farmhouse. So you see, for projects and what have you, taking off plaster off the walls, or render off the wall, the impact of the chisel is a very, very useful addition to any drill. This stone's a bit more stubborn, but we'll do it. We will not let it get the better of us. Oh, they're a bit broken off there. Oh, a bit broken off there. Okay, we've got this. We've got it. Okay. You see, it's doing the job. It's an impressive tool. Now you want to check out the links in the description if you want the current prices, but you'll be surprised. Very reasonable for the quality of this tool. Now, this is not a paid review by Cheng. No, this is a sponsored video because they sent me the tool. I didn't have to pay for it, basically, and I've made a video, and I'm quite happy to do so because this is a handy addition to my arsenal of tools. That it is. So it's the Cheng DCZC04-24. There are a few other models, but this one's pretty good. I would recommend an additional battery if you are going to be using it for any extended period of time.